Tired of daily scooping and messy litter boxes? The top 5 best automatic cat litter box in this year takes away the hassle, keeping your home clean and odor-free. Designed with advanced sensors and self-cleaning technology, it ensures your feline's comfort and your convenience. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Neakasa Automatic Cat Litter Box. The Neakasa Automatic Cat Litter Box M1 is designed with both comfort and convenience in mind, making it a standout choice for pet parents seeking an advanced solution to litter management. Unlike traditional enclosed litter boxes, the M1 uses an open-top design that cats naturally prefer. This spacious setup helps reduce hesitation, making it easier for cats of all sizes, even those on the larger side, to transition smoothly to an automated litter box. It eliminates feelings of confinement while offering a safe, stress-free environment for your pet. With its impressive waste and litter capacity, the Neakasa M1 offers up to 14 days of worry-free operation, an excellent feature for busy owners or those planning short trips away. The system accommodates cats weighing from 2.2 pounds up to 33 pounds, making it ideal for multi-cat households. An exclusive kitten mode ensures even the smallest feline family members are safe and comfortable. Safety is prioritized with 5 pairs of infrared sensors and 4 weight sensors, which detect your cat's activity to pause operation when needed. This prevents accidents and ensures peace of mind for owners. On top of that, the Neakasa app provides full connectivity, letting you monitor litter levels, track your cat's bathroom habits, and control cleaning cycles remotely. This combination of thoughtful design, advanced safety measures, and smart app integration makes the Neakasa M1 not just a litter box, but a complete pet care solution. If you want a blend of safety, comfort, and convenience for both you and your cats, this model is a strong investment. Number 2. KITPLUS Automatic Cat Litter Box. The KITPLUS Automatic Cat Litter Box offers pet owners a well-rounded self-cleaning solution with features designed for both feline comfort and owner convenience. Its roomy open-top design immediately sets it apart from many enclosed options. This design encourages natural cat behavior, making the litter box feel less intimidating and more inviting, especially for larger breeds or cats new to smart litter boxes. By eliminating the fear of cramped spaces, KITPLUS makes the transition to automation smoother and safer. For pet parents with busy schedules, the unit's 10L waste bin is a huge advantage. Capable of holding up to 14 days of waste for a single cat, it greatly reduces the need for daily scooping. This not only saves time, but also ensures your cat always has a clean space. The safety system is equally impressive, equipped with 3 pairs of infrared sensors and 4 weight sensors that detect even light pressure. This ensures the unit immediately pauses when a cat is present, prioritizing your pet's safety above all else. The integrated app allows you to monitor bathroom habits and control the system remotely, a feature especially useful for tracking feline health and ensuring the litter box runs smoothly while you're away. Another highlight is the ultra-quiet operation, producing less than 20 dB of sound, quieter than a whisper. This makes it an excellent choice for households with light sleepers or noise-sensitive pets. Number 3. Lohhuby Automatic Cat Litter Box. The Lohhuby Automatic Cat Litter Box provides a practical and modern approach to litter maintenance with a focus on safety, ease of use, and real-time monitoring. Featuring smart app control, owners can remotely manage cleaning schedules, check status updates, and receive notifications directly on their phones. This feature ensures convenience and helps maintain a consistent cleaning cycle, even when you're not at home. The open design structure is another strong advantage, offering ample space for medium cats and kittens. Unlike enclosed models that may feel restrictive, the Lohhuby's open style encourages natural feline behavior and reduces stress during bathroom use. This design also contributes to better odor control, as it promotes proper ventilation while keeping the environment fresh. Safety is carefully considered with anti-pinch technology, which halts operation immediately if the unit is touched or if any unexpected interference occurs. This eliminates potential risks, keeping cats safe during use. Cleaning and maintenance are equally simple. There's no need for complicated disassembly. The inner drum can be easily lifted for quick, effective cleaning, making routine upkeep far less of a chore compared to traditional litter boxes. This ensures a hygienic and sanitary space for both pets and owners. The Lohhuby is an excellent choice for cat parents who want a reliable, easy-to-clean, and safe self-cleaning litter box without unnecessary complications. Number 4. Mintakawa Automatic Cat Litter Box. The Mintakawa Automatic Cat Litter Box is designed with versatility and user comfort in mind, making it a great fit for homes with kittens and medium-sized cats. Its thoughtful size accommodates younger cats while still leaving ample room for natural movement and bathroom comfort. Noise levels are impressively low, operating under 35 dB, similar to a soft whisper. This makes the Mintakawa an excellent option for households where noise sensitivity is a concern, ensuring cats feel at ease and owners can enjoy a quieter environment. Connectivity is another standout feature. Supporting both 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, the Mintakawa connects seamlessly to its companion app. This app provides real-time data, including your cat's weight, toilet duration, and frequency of visits. Such insights not only help monitor litter box use, but can also serve as early indicators of potential health concerns. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to its well-thought-out design. The drum is water-washable and easy to lift, simplifying the cleaning process. This ensures that the litter box stays fresh and sanitary with minimal effort from the owner. By combining low-noise operation, smart connectivity, and simple upkeep, the Mintakawa Automatic Cat Litter Box strikes an excellent balance between pet comfort and owner convenience. Number 5. Duabes Automatic Cat Litter Box. The Duabes Automatic Cat Litter Box is a premium choice for multi-cat households and busy pet parents looking for a hands-free litter management solution. Its self-cleaning technology eliminates the need for daily scooping, offering consistent freshness and hygiene. The pull-out waste drawer makes bag changes quick and efficient, further simplifying the cleaning process. What sets the Duabes apart is its XXL capacity. With a spacious 76L design, it can accommodate cats ranging from 2.2 pounds to 24.2 pounds, making it suitable for a wide variety of breeds. For single-cat households, it can go up to 4 weeks without needing scooping, an impressive feature for those with demanding schedules or frequent travel. Safety is a top priority, and this litter box includes both infrared and weight sensors to detect your cat's presence. If your cat enters during a cleaning cycle, the unit halts automatically, preventing any accidents. This makes it a reliable and pet-safe choice. The quiet operation at just 35 dB ensures that both pets and owners are not disturbed by noise. Another valuable feature is its compatibility with most litter types, excluding crystal litter, giving owners flexibility in choosing what works best. Integration with the Tuya Smart app allows for remote monitoring and control. Owners can track their cat's weight, usage frequency, and receive important alerts directly to their phone. This is especially helpful for keeping an eye on feline health trends. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.